successful and help others. And whatever you are going to get, whether it is knowledge or whether it is money, keep sharing with others, and more you are going to get. The more you get, the good people like you, the more goodness is going to spread. So this is what I say in every farewell party, because let there be no complacence. It means satisfaction. Ah, okay, sufficient. Now I got English. I am happy. No, English. No, you just started. That only I am telling. Now this is only the beginning, and there is so much for you to do. There is so many things to accomplish. So now it is now okay. I am talking again. I am going to talking about now. I would like to request our keynote speaker, Dr. Venkateswarlu Pattupalli. In fact, this gentleman is more than a friend to me. In fact, our association, how it started, I do not remember. In fact, our association is more or less a professional association. That is the way it started. And in fact, I am very happy and confident with his contribution that he made for our organization, Royal Soft Skills Campus. And apart from that, he and I have got some similarities. He too had got connections with the pharmaceutical industry, and of course, I too have got connection with the pharmaceutical industry. And we become so thick friends. In fact, we became family friends, I can say. So, Madam Meenakshi hasn't come today. I hope she may join us at any moment. So, Meenakshi, Madam, she's a professional teacher. She is working for Slate, the school, one of the reputed organizations in Twin Cities. And she is also very helpful, and she's a motivator. In fact, she too come to our classes, and she too motivated our students. So they are ideal couple, I can say. And their kids are also close to our family. So he is more or less like a family friend. Professional association turned into family association kind of thing. So this gentleman is very nice, and is that's what I told. He need not think, okay, now I will inspire you. He need not think that way. He need not say. The moment he starts speaking, that itself is inspiration. Now I would not like to be a barrier between you and his inspirational speech. Now I am opening the how to say the gates for you to attend to his inspirational lecture. Mr. Venkateswarlu sir, now it is your dice. Okay.
Thank you very much. Am I audible?
Yeah, very much.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dr. Vivekananda Garu. In fact, it's my privilege being in this panel as a keynote speaker, and thank you very much. And Dr. Uma Sharma Garu, you are an inspiration. Welcome to this panel, and we need more of your speeches. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
You have an excellent profile, and I believe and I'm sure you are an inspiration to thousands of ladies out there who want to come up and prove themselves. Okay, and excellent examples what you have shown or what you have shared, the 3 C's. I feel those are the excellent what you can say, animutyalu, absolutely. Okay, so I really I'm really privileged to be here today. Now I will take 15 minutes, dear friends, and I will also
with your permission, sir, could you please bring your mic a bit closer?
Okay, is it okay?
Yes, perfect.
Fine. I would also like to welcome Shashikant, Jishnu Dhanush, and Shoaib.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
I want a big smile on your faces. You're all vaccinated now.
Yeah.
Okay, and always smile is the thing which is no tax. Nobody taxes on you that. Okay, there is no tax on it. So smile as much as you want. Okay, so I want the continuous smile on your face for 15 minutes with me. Okay, excellent. See, I'll tell you, you guys are very lucky in your life. You got in touch with Dr. Vivekananda. Why I'll tell you. It's not that everybody, there are a lot of people who walk around in Shuknagar bus station, thousands of people daily who want to learn English like you, but they don't know that is this Dr. Vivekananda just beside them. Okay, you are lucky you got him, and you identified him, you searched him, you got it there. Believe me, I have been telling Dr. Vivekananda Garu, sir, you please put a alumni, Royal Soft Skills alumni. You can fill up Lalbagh Stadium. Believe me, that many students have come up and they have changed their career. Believe me, friends. And during the crisis, COVID crisis, friends, everybody learned a lesson. I declare, I keep telling everybody, COVID is a blessing in disguise for us, because it has given us a lesson saying that life changes any moment. You have to adopt. Now, Royal Soft Skills never stopped the march in educating and teaching English to the students. Now, because of COVID, Dr. Vivekananda is known worldwide. He has international students online. Can you believe this? Okay, friends, believe me, that is his services. God wanted his services worldwide. That's the reason COVID has come. Because his paperless fluency of English is very, very unique, friends. Believe me. Okay, and lot of people, a lot of people have this, misconception that if English is a tough language to learn and we have to do a lot of things. Okay, now you guys know how easy it is with Dr. Vivekananda to learn English and speak English. And I'm seeing, your language is nothing less than a corporate language. What you learn from Vivekananda, believe me. Okay, the standards are very high. Okay, and continuously, increase your skills. Read more papers and whatever Dr. Vivekananda says. I'm telling you, when he takes his class, I'll sit like a student. Okay, because what happens is nothing wrong with that. Not knowing English fluency is nothing wrong with that. Because when I studied in a Christian missionary school in Hyderabad. Believe me, my teachers were Anglo-Indians teachers of they are Parsis, sir. Parsis.
Okay.
I'm talking about 1970s, ma'am, Dr. Uma Sharma, 1970s. Okay, the English was like a British English, very strict. And believe me, that is the English what I learned in school. Afterwards, nobody bothered about my English, nobody bothered about my studies, nobody bothered about anything. This is what Dr. Vivekananda is doing right now. If you come to him and if you recommend people to him, okay, they will never forget Dr. Vivekananda. As he rightly said, psychologist, he is a mother. He's a mother. Just go to him anytime. Just go to him. But he has a right to scold you. He has a right to, this thing. But, he's a mother. Please, that is what, he has doing his service. When he called me up and said, sir, there is this thing. I said, at your service, sir, anytime. No issues. I will cancel all my things and come back and because what service he is giving, believe me, friends, not everybody is doing. He's doing it with passion. He's not there to earn money, or he's not there to name and fame. He's there to multiply people who are in need of, learning English, that too paperless fluency. I like that word, paperless fluency. Okay, if you search that in Google, paperless fluency, it comes Royal Skills, Soft Skills. Nobody uses that word. Okay, friends. Today, I would have loved Dr. Vivekananda, Dr. Uma Sharma, you all. I would have loved physically talking to you in Royal Soft Skills campus. That impact, that energy, that electrifying atmosphere is totally different. But still, this is also electrifying, where I can, look at your faces. Dr. Vivekananda was saying, sir, it's a very small group. I believe there is nothing called small group, sir. Okay, Jishnu Dhanush, life changed.
Yes, sir.
Coming to your interview. Okay, Shashikant, Shashikant, the way he's speaking, he'll go to places. Let me tell you. Shoaib, 5 years, 10 years down the line, okay, he is going to big time.
Yes,
These guys
definitely.
are going to change thousands of lives. So this is not a small group, sir. This is a small group hidden in thousands of groups. Believe me.
Yes.
So no group is small, sir. I consider each one of you are
The same thing I told, sir. The same thing I told. Yes.
Absolutely, ma'am. Because each one of them are worth changing thousands of lives. Okay. So that is number one. Number two. See, today I will not take much of the time.
So you have to, sir, because we love to listen to your speech.
Absolutely, because I'll take 15 minutes because
Yes.
one of my guru told me, you get out of the place where people don't want you more. When they want you more, you get out of the place. Don't stay there more. So I follow that rule.
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway,
Sir, at
15
this
minutes.
juncture, I would like to interrupt you, sir, with one small thing when you said, no, Going with Shashikant, about him, you were saying he will go places. It is absolutely right. Because his objective is also similar, matching with that. He wants to be a preacher so that he can reach the lakhs and lakhs of people across the globe on behalf of ISKCON, spreading the Krishna consciousness. So that is a kind of noble mission he has. Because let language be not a barrier. With that noble intention, he has joined. So in a way, I am doing a noble service through this particular. Thank you, sir.
Shashikant, I follow Gaur Gopal Das.
Yes, sir.
Gaur Gopal Das.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's from Mumbai, so he's such a wonderful
Absolutely.
person. Yeah.
Wonderful corporate guy. And believe me, I see you in his place. All the best for you.
Thank you, sir.
Excellent. Okay. That changes a lot of lives. Okay.
Yes, sir. I've got an opportunity to meet him twice in Govardhan Eco Village, which is in Mumbai. So Gauranga Das Prabhuji is the teacher there. So I did my diploma in Chaitanya Charitamrita there. So it was a wonderful experience, sir, to spend time with such an experienced personality.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent, Shashikant. Okay. I can see you. That's why I told you. You will go places. Okay. And,
Thank you.
the best thing happened to your life is Dr. Vivekananda.
Yes, sir. I know, sir, from a few years. I mean, 2-3 years. We have. I mean, I'm in a group, and whenever sir posts something or whenever he says something, it will have some meaning and some truthfulness in that, sir.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and also 1 or 2 issues I have spoken to him maybe 2 years back. Sir might not have recognized me, but he was like so. Hey,
Yeah.
No.
like very clear and he's very truthful, sir. We will find such a person. We cannot find such a person in this time, sir.
Absolutely. He himself
I
is
got
an
a
icon.
chance.
So he
Sorry.
himself is an icon, but he introduces a lot of icons. That is the big.
Yes.
He's a superstar and introduces a lot of superstars and never talks about himself. So I felt, we need to really, sir, I sincerely request you to do an alumni of Royal Soft Skills for past 10 years.
Yeah.
I'm sure all the top guys in the companies are your students.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So friends, I will take
One of them is sitting with us.
absolutely, Dr. Uma Sharma. Dr. Uma Sharma is the best example, actually.
Yes, sir.
Excellent, ma'am. It was so nice, to hearing you, early morning. Today's day is done with me with your speech, actually.
Thank you,
My day is
sir.
done. Okay. So, friends, when I in the morning 4 o'clock I got up, I said, what should I speak to them, basically? Okay. Then have jotted down 2-3 points. Okay. If possible, please make a note of it. Otherwise, I think Dr. Vivekananda garu recording untundante.
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough. See, what I feel is there are 4 basics in life which we need to really create and follow. The 4 basic pillars of life are physical, mental, financial, and spiritual. These are the 4 basic pillars we need to build our character so that next 40 to 45 years of life will be fruitful. Okay. Now, when I talk about physical, all of us know what COVID has taught us. Okay. Somebody said your partner is not your life partner is not your wife. Your life partner is your body. How many of you agree this? I agree. Believe me, during the COVID period, knowingly or unknowingly, your physical health was more important. Then comes the mental health. What was you thinking? What were you thinking in your mind? Whatever your mind thinks, your body acts. Okay. So whoever has controlled that mind and body during COVID period, okay, they came out of successfully, knowingly or unknowingly. Believe me. Some people knowingly did it, some people unknowingly. So the pillar of any life is physical strength, strength pillar. Next is mental. What are you thinking, basically? What, like Dr. Uma Sharma said, what is your dominant thought process? What is your dominant thought process? Consistency. Consistently thinking about it. What do you want to become? Dominant. What is the dominant thought process in your mind? That is more important. Believe me, when in during COVID period, all the plans got smashed. Everybody's plans got smashed. Dr. Uma Sharma. Everybody's plans got upside
Yes.
down.
Yes.
Okay. You know what I did? My plans also got upside down. What I did, I put everything back burner and focused only on mind and body. I have to survive these 2 years.
Yes.
Because if you survive, you can do anything. Rule number 1. So that is the reason physical and mental is very, very important, friends. Whatever may be your profession, whatever may be your earning, whatever may be your status, whatever may be your designation, I don't care. Morning when I get up, what is my state of mind? What is my physical status? Because if these two are in shape, you can do wonders. Okay. The next third part is financial pillar. You need to really plan your financial strength for next 45 years. You know, your average Shoaib, are you smiling?
Yes, sir.
I need a smile on your faces. Shoaib, Shashikant, Jishnu. Okay.
Because you are touching our serious talks, no? That's the reason.
Believe me, because you know these are the steps which are very important. This will, if you follow this, see, learning is one thing, implementation is another. I am hungry. I want to eat. Unless until I act, I cannot eat. By simply thinking I can eat, my hunger will not go. So I have to act. So learning, knowing, acting. Acting on that is more important. So physical, mental, financial. Okay. And then third, fourth, and most important part is spiritual is very, very important. Whatever is your religion, whatever is your thought process, there is a power which you need to believe. If not today, see, I have my we have our children in teenage and early 20s.
Yes.
Generally, these early 20s, they are not inclined towards spirituality. Why? Because I'll tell you reason. Because mom and dad is taking care of every need. They don't have to face any problem. Okay. Now, once they realize things are, mom and dad are not taking, things are not in my control, then they start turning to the spiritual. So if not today, someday, everybody needs spiritual, backup. Okay. So understand one thing. One of my friend, recently we had a Ganesh Chaturthi, and he was standing aside and not taking any harti or any puja or whatever. I mean to say spiritual. So I said, what happened? He said, I don't believe in God. You know what I told him? My dear friend, then you are very dear to God, because God wants people who don't believe Him. He'll focus more on them. He will not focus on you and me, because he knows we are already there for it. Okay, so those people are very lucky. His focus is always on them. So spirituality is one thing which everybody requires at one stage of life. The earlier, the better. Okay, the 4 steps are very important. Now, one more thing is adaptability. Friends, adaptability. I had several adaptabilities. One thing which, you need to really focus on that. What is adaptability? There is a teacher in Chaitanya College who was getting 1.5 lakh salary as a chemistry lecturer. And suddenly COVID came. They removed him and he is at home. He wants exactly 1.5 lakh salary during COVID time. Is it possible?
No.
No, sir.
He refused to change, he refused to adapt. Friends, people who have lost their job during COVID time, who are in a very good professional course, they came on to street and started canteens and started earning money. People learn how we can adapt, what is their power. So you should be always flexible to be adaptable to the situation. Okay, it's not that I am a doctor, I will be only doctor, I will be this thing, I will be this thing. Fair enough. You have chosen a profession, good enough. But what is that I can, in emergencies, what I can do? Adaptability is one thing we need to start practicing right away. Right away. Adaptability. You see, I believe me, pharmacy. Fair enough. That is my profession. That is my survival. But what is I'm ready to adopt? You should be ready to adopt. Adopt. A lot of people fail to get up because they are refusing to adopt themselves to the situation. COVID has taught us everybody that no, nothing is permanent. Everything changes. So you have to change accordingly. So adaptability is one thing, friends, we need to really put on the face. The next part is Dr. Vivekananda was saying about motivation. Write down this, friends. Nobody can motivate you, not even me. I can only share my experience. I always say, I share my experiences. Okay, if you gain something from that, okay, just implement it. What is motivation? Motivation is like having bath every day. Unless and until you have bath every day, okay, motivation will not stay. So who will take bath? Yourself or somebody will give you bath?
Ourselves.
Okay.
So motivation is self. When I get up in the morning, I don't need anybody's motivation. Okay. And how do I get a motivation? I should know my why, I should know my what, I should know my when. Why am I getting up? What am I doing? When should I do it? These three things are the motivation things which will make you run in the morning, do your job and come back. So self-motivation is the only thing. Never believe in the motivation, be other people's motivation. That those are called inspirational or maybe share experience sharing. I always say sharing my experience. Because Sri Krishna, has shared his knowledge to Arjuna. Arjuna has implemented and become successful. Simple. By just listening, Arjuna is successful. He has implemented it. He has realized it. Okay. So when I share something from 1,000 people, only one person listens to it and implements it. That person's life changes. I am done. I am done. Okay. Absolutely. So self-motivation is the best thing. Today, all of you got up early.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shashikant,
Yes.
तो जल्दी उठ गया ना?
Yes, sir.
किसलिए उठे आप? Not because of Vivekananda, not because of Royal Soft Skills. आप खुद के लिए उठे. You have got up for yourself. You are feeling so good. Okay, that you got
Yes.
up at 5 o'clock, got ready. Okay, you felt so good that you are controlling your life. Okay, so always keep your remote in your hand. Do not give it to somebody else. I'll explain to you how you give somebody, how we will give our remote to somebody else. You are going on a road, somebody hits you from behind. Okay, and immediately we shout. That means the remote is in that person's hand. Okay, so don't give your remote to other people's hand. Have your remote in your hand only. Okay, that is number one. That happens only when you have your self motivation. Self motivation is the best motivation. Do not go for motivation. That evil motivate. No, they will only share their experiences, take out from them, and get experience. See, from Dr. Vivekananda, what I get inspiration is his dedication to change lives. Okay, I take that. I learn. What is the secret? I learn from him. That is what Dr. Uma Sharma. So many qualifications. Okay, she is there at sharp 7 o'clock. What is her motivation? What is her motivation? Her motivation is to help people to share her knowledge. Kafi bate. Ma'am, I'm going to subscribe that today.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
I'm going to promote it big time in my social media network. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. And I'm going to give the feedback also.
Thank you so much.
Okay, friends. So that is adaptability, self-motivation. Adapt to yourself, any situations. Don't bother about anybody. Adapt. Okay, number one. Now, with another 5 minutes, I'll close certain points. The 4 basics I told you, there are 9 core steps in life. 9 core steps. Number one step in that 9 core steps is, friends, read books. If you see behind Dr. Vivekananda, Dr. Uma Sharma, you have seen a lot of books.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
they
Yes. Yes, sir.
1 year down the line, okay, when you talk, you know, books should be behind you.
Yes,
You know what is the power of books? Suppose Dr. Uma Sharma, you are writing a book, Dr. Uma Sharma.
Yes, sir. Actually, just now what I told to other people, as a Hindi lecturer, I started writing Hindi book. But before that, because of my fear to English, I wrote 2 stories in anthologies and got published also because of Dr. Vivekanand sir. So
Absolutely.
I worked on my fear first and then come to my strength part. It is Hindi is definitely so my cup of tea. I can edit myself and all. So I worked for the difficult part then first, and I came to now I started writing my Hindi book.
Absolutely. Now, Hindi book. Ma'am, what is the name of the book?
Chingari, a spark.
Chingari. Okay. Now,
Surely.
excellent, ma'am. All the best for your book. Okay. You see, friends, she would have put around 20 to 30 years of her experience in that book, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, that 20 years of experience is available for us in a book. That means if you read 5 books, 5 into 20, 100 years of experience behind you. That is the power of book. So my suggestion is, friends, get some very good books, positive mental attitude books. Okay. And Dr. Vivekananda Garu also has authored a book. Sir, what is the book, sir?
Soft skills to ace the interviews.
Absolutely. He would have put his 30 years of experience in that one book of book, soft skills. And if you implement that, you've got 30 years of experience in hand. What did you gain by that? You have saved time. You have saved money. You don't have to spend 30 years like Dr. Vivekananda to learn that. In that book, if you learn, you save that. That is the power of book, friends. So the power of book is a person who has 20, 30 years of experience, he puts in that book. And we are getting it in a platter. So when we get that experience, we save time and money. Okay. So in fact, in some other session, I will tell you what are the books you should really get it, right? So power of books is very important. And one more thing, what will book teach you? Books will, when you open a book and start reading, they will slap you. They'll tell your negatives. They'll tell your mistakes. If your friend tells your mistakes, you will not like, but your book tells your mistake, you will simply accept. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason you should start reading books. Step number 1, read books. Now, what books you should read? You should really check with Dr. Vivekananda. He will give you a list of books, what books you should read. Number 2, attend seminars, association with people. Okay. Shashikant, in your office, there may be a CEO.
Yes, sir. I mean, I am the CEO of my things, sir.
Okay. Suppose you are working in a company.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
As a manager, there is a CEO sitting in the corner of the room.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And will he allow you to sit there
No.
daily? No. He will not. Because if you start associating with him 24 hours, you will become like him.
Yes.
That is the power of association.
Yes, sir.
As simple as that. So when you attend a seminar, when you attend a very good seminar, you are associating with successful people where your dominant thought process will start acting.
Yes.
So whom you are associating is very, very important. Number 1 step, read books, attend seminars for association. Number 3, be accountable. Be accountable. Nobody should command us, demand us, do this, do that. We should be accountable for us. End of the day, is the day okay for me? Did I do whatever I thought? See, I'll tell you how to check yourself. This I implement. Whatever I'm talking, friends, I'm not talking by books. I implement it and share with you. End of the day, I stand in front of my God and say, did I do anything wrong? If I do, I'm sorry. Did I do whatever I thought from morning till evening? Did I do? Because only me and my God knows what I did. Not even my wife. Mind you, not even my wife. Me and my God only knows. And if I know I've done good and my God knows, I don't have to worry about anybody. I sleep happily at the night. This is called accountability. Okay. So when you accountable for yourself, nobody can change your mind. So step number 3 is accountable. Be accountable to yourself. Number 3, write down your goals and dreams. There is a power when you put a paper to the pen, friends. There is a power when you put a paper to the pen. Right now, Shoaib,
Yes, sir.
Shoaib,
Sir.
एक चीज इंप्लीमेंट करके देखो. आज पेन पेपर निकाल के अगले 2 साल में मेरे को क्या बनना है, क्या करना है लिख के देखो और वो चिपका दो फ्रिज के ऊपर. आपका रूम में चिपका देके डेली देखो उसको. 2 साल के बाद वो नहीं हुआ तो मेरे को फोन करके बताओ.
जरूर सर.
Sir, I trained in English.
थोड़ा मेरे को शोएब, मेरे को थोड़ा हिंदी में बात करने का बहुत शौक है. हैदराबाद हिंदी. I mean, Shoaib.
Yes.
So allow me, sir. I'm sorry.
No, just for fun, I'm saying.
Shoaib,
Then
okay,
the woman
Yes.
will start speaking
Yes, sir.
poetic Hindi.
absolutely. And Shashikant, I'm sure you would have experienced this already.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I mean, I like to write so much because our thoughts, if we keep it in our mind, maybe after some time we will forget it. But
I'll tell you, the human graves outside there who are sleeping there had lot of dreams in them. The mistake they did was they didn't write it down.
yes, sir.
Okay, simple as that. Everybody has ideas, everybody has dreams. When you put a pen to the paper, write it down and stick it on your room, friends, your mind, your subconscious mind will work accordingly to achieve that. That is how God has made us. It's like a missile, guided missile. Okay, so there's a book called Psycho-Cybernetics. Write down this book name, Shashikant.
Yes, sir.
So Psycho-Cybernetics. Maxwell Marx is the author. I tell you, this book has changed my mindset. Psycho-Cybernetics. Don't get about this the title. Don't get worried about the title. Psycho-Cybernetics tells you. Psycho-Cybernetics, sir. Maxwell Marx is the author. It's an excellent book. It will teach you how your mind works. Okay, Psycho-Cybernetics. Okay, friends, write down your goals, put a pen to the paper. When you put a date to your dreams, that becomes a goal. Let me tell you, clarification. Everybody has a dream. I want a vehicle, I want a house, I want this thing, I want this thing. But when you put a date to that, that becomes a goal. And what are goals? Midterm, short-term, long-term. Simple. I'm not going to go in detail. Midterm, short-term, long-term. Short-term, midterm, long-term. Okay? Fourth point. And fifth point is prepare a daily speech, positive speech. Today I'm wonderful. Okay, I have to take care of myself. Today I feel great. Prepare a self-positive speech and start talking daily morning. Number 6, always be in listening mode. Friends, you know who is the best person in the world who listens? Today you do a practical experiment. Shashikant and Shoaib. जो आपसे बात करेंगे ना उसका पूरा सुनो. You listen to him completely without saying a word. Without saying a word, just listen to him. Whatever he says, maybe half an hour, maybe 45 minutes. Okay, just don't say it. Just listen. He will become your best advertiser. He'll become your best friend. He'll become your best promotion person. Power of listening. Okay, listen. Number 1. Number 6, that is 6th point. 7th point is communication skills. Okay. Now that you have learned from Royal Soft Skills how to communicate, maximum speak in English. Don't worry about it. Read magazines. Listen to the English music. English news, English music or English this thing. Okay. Total people should be surprised, by your English everything. Not to impress anybody. For our self-satisfaction. We are not in competition to anybody. Believe me, friends. We are not here to show to anybody what we are. We are here to change our life, our family, and give a better life to people. We are not in competition to anybody. किसी को दिखाने का नहीं है, किसी को प्रूव करने का नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. अपने को खुद का लाइफ चेंज करना है, अपने को इम्प्रूव होना. Sorry, Dr. Vivekananda.
Dr.
Dr. Uma Sharma likes it. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, communication skills are very important. Communication skills are the basics for all parts of life. College में हो, job में हो, wife से हो, family से हो, mother से हो, everybody communication skills are important. Okay. The more you clearly communicate, the more life is easier for you. Simple English. Simple English. Okay. 8th one, relationships are very, very, very important. Please give importance to every small relationship. There is a very thin line which connects you with people. Okay, very thin line. Okay, I'll tell you, Dr. Vivekananda and how we met with a very thin line. And today that association is helping so many people. Shoaib, Shashikant.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Okay. Now, Dr. Uma Sharma, very thin line, she got connected today with us. Did you benefit or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We get fully benefited.
Absolutely. Life, anybody whom you meet, consider it as an important connection. पता नहीं कल के लिए वो बंदा president of India बनेगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes.
you value to every relationship what you come across. Number 4, networking. Networking is very, very important. Networking. Okay. Networking. Now you guys are around 25 to 30 years of age. Next 40 years, you start networking from now. Okay. From everybody. Everybody be very, friendly with everybody. Don't have any ill feeling with anybody. Okay. Just say hi, bye, take the thing. Start networking. It's a big subject which I will share later on when Dr. Vivekananda gives a chance. Actually, okay. Networking is very important. So these 9 core steps you follow, friends. 4 basics, 9 core steps, and 3 life rules. I'm going to tell you 3 life rules. Okay, this I follow, and I've seen people who have not followed have gone down. Okay, now what are the 3 rules? Never mess up with anybody's money.
Yes.
Never mess up with anybody's money. Never mess up with anybody's ego. Okay, and never mess up with an opposite sex. Never mess up with if you are a male, female, if you are a female, male. Never mess up with this. These 3 things, if you keep away, okay, your character is built. These are the life rules. And number 2 is do not spread any negative. If you know something is bad about it, do not spread it. Okay, and always whenever you're doing something, check with somebody who's expert. If I want to become a lawyer, Shoaib, where should I go and check? मेरे को lawyer बनना है.
Advocate.
Advocate के पास, doctor के पास जाते नहीं ना.
No.
So, okay, so that is the thing. So always have a wise, listen to everybody, take your own decision.
Yes, sir.
Because free advice is available, Shashikant.
Sir.
Okay, everybody. Today also, whatever I told you, it's a supermarket approach. I'm not saying, boss, just follow this. Whatever you like from this supermarket approach, pick up, implement it, benefit. Some things you didn't like in whatever I said, don't worry about it, leave it. It's a supermarket approach. When you go to supermarket, I don't pick up everything. Whatever I like it, I pick up.
But here, everything you said is needed, sir. All the things.
Yes,
So pick up supermarket approach.
Yeah.
Always, I whenever I go when you're in a seminar, something you don't like it, forget about it. Whatever you like, pick up, usko implement karo. Benefit. Apne ko kya hai? We have to benefit from everybody, and somebody should benefit from us.
Yes.
yes.
Okay, so understand these things. I told you 4 basics, 9 core steps, 2 rules, 3 rules
3 rules.
which you should follow. Never mess up with anybody's money, ego, or women. Okay. Number 2, no negative. Don't spread negative. Number 3, the 3 rules. My number 3 rule is always check with elders. Always check with people who are ahead of you, because they have seen what you are going through. They will caution you. Okay. These are the 3 rules which are very important, friends. And 4 basics, 9 core steps, 3 rules. I'm done with this. Okay, I hope I have, we have really enjoyed this session. Dr.
100%.
Vivekananda Garu, I'm done with the session. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much for that.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. In fact, we are all privileged and honored. In fact, this batch of students are lucky, in fact. So thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. So now I am going to take up the session. On behalf of all the students, I am really expressing my wholehearted gratitude for Mr. Venkat Pottipalli for sharing his invaluable lessons of life. In fact, his family name, you see, it is a Pottipalli, but it is a misnomer for him, for his. So he is not short, in fact, in terms of knowledge and sharing experience. So he is infinite source of inspiration. Thank you, sir. So, thank you very much.